Spaghetti jollof is one irresistible meal in my house. Let me show you how to make a very delicious one. In a pot, go in with your bell peppers, some onion, already cleaned and cut up by the way. Next, I'm going to go in with some garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet. I'm going to go in with some fresh thyme and some green onion. Add a good amount of oil in there, cover and let this cook down on low heat for about 25 minutes. You can also roast this in the oven if you have an oven. Now after 25 minutes, I'm going to blend this up roughly or smoothly, whichever texture you prefer. Now in a separate pan, go in with some oil. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm going to add some cooked and cut up goat meat. Use any protein of your choice. You can even use mackerel fish. Delicious. Now toss that around to give it a bit of texture. Meanwhile, you want to quickly salt and oil your water for the pasta and then go in with the spaghetti. I don't like to cover the pot so it doesn't boil over. Meanwhile, I'm going to scoop the meat out from the oil now. Like I said, you don't want this to be too dry. To that same oil, go in with some sliced onion and fry for about a minute or two until it becomes fragrant. Next, I'm going to add our blended pepper mix, and then you want to season with any seasoning of your choice. First, I'll go in with some chicken seasoning and this medley of spices, which is some parsley, a bit of curry, some oregano, and some mixed herbs. Stir this well to combine, cover and allow to fry for another 5 to 7 minutes. Seven minutes later, I'm going to give this a good mix, reintroduce the fried goat meat, stir, and now it is time to add in the pasta. Now you want to make sure your pasta is coming straight from the pot. That way it's easier to stir and it's not all clumpy. So add it directly into your stew base and mix. You want to mix this well to combine. The liquid I added was the spaghetti water. It's going to help this bind together even better. Today's special hug is for Goodness Nnamdi, watching from Ghana. I'm glad you love the recipes. Please let me know where you're watching from so I can send you a hug in my next video. Once the spaghetti is properly mixed in with the sauce, food is ready. I'm going to garnish with some parsley, serve and enjoy. You can have this with fried plantains by itself. If you like cheese, you can grate cheese on top of this and enjoy. See you in my next video. Bye.